Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you on a step-by-step tutorial on how to delete posts on Instagram. Instagram is a popular social media platform primarily focused on photo and video sharing. In order to delete your post, first you'll need to open your Instagram app. Once you open your Instagram, you'll see profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll have to tap on it. This will take you to Instagram profile page where you can see all the posts. So to delete a post, simply tap on the post you want to delete. Then you'll have to tap on the three dots in the upper right corner. A menu will pop up where you can see delete written on the very last option. You'll have to tap on it. Here you can see after deleting the post, you can still restore this post from recently deleted in your activities within 30 days. After the 30 days, it will be permanently deleted. Now, to delete the post, you'll have to tap on the delete option. And that post, as you can see, has been deleted. This is how you can delete posts from your Instagram. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to leave like, share and subscribe. Thank you.